So in this video, we will see how to configure a brand new Cisco switch and router using console port and also providing the necessary security for that specific console port. Alright, so I have a brand new Cisco device, and to set that up, getting my laptop ready, connect with the console cable from the switch to the console port and to the laptop RS232 port, which is nothing but the serial port. Once you connected it, click on the laptop, desktop, terminal, set the baud rate 9600, click OK, and then you will be into the switch for the first time. Click enter, type enable to so as you can see, you are in the user executive mode. So once you type enable, you will be in the user privileged mode. So in order to get into the configuration mode, the global configuration mode, type conf t, and you are into the global configuration mode. So type line console 0, enter, password, let me give Cisco, enter, and we have two different options. So first one is login, and the second one will be login local. So the login will not prompt for the username, but if you use login local, it will prompt you for the username and the password. So we'll see both of them so that we'll have an idea of how it works with and without. So let me give login, enter, exit from this device, and to save the configuration, type write memory or use copy running config, startup config, enter. It does the same thing. Once you're done, exit from the device and try to log in again. Let's see whether it is prompting for the password or not. Click enter. There we go. So we have given the appropriate security for the specific console port. So type Cisco, enter, and you're into the device. Perfect. So we have seen a login option, and now we will go ahead and use login local. So for the login local, we have to use two different commands, extra commands. So basically, you have to create a username and a password. So type username. Let me use admin. Password. Let me give list. Hit enter. And in order to prompt the username and the password, you have to go into the line console 0 and type login local. So why don't we just delete the login option before that we have given. So no login, and now give login local. Hit enter, exit, save the configs. You can use WR as well, which is a short form for write memory. So once you're done, click exit, and it's prompting you for the username now. So give admin catalyst, and we are in. And with this, the switch configuration has been completed. So we will go ahead and configure the brand new router. So pretty much the same configs for it. So it's just a, instead of switch, we're using router. That's it. And then I have my laptop again. Connect this with the console port. So this should be console. This is RS232 again. Click on the laptop, desktop, terminal, baud rate 9600. Okay. Then you will be into the router. For the initial configuration, I don't need it. So I say no, enter. Same thing here. Enable conf t. So seems like using the username and the password is a good option, and it's it's a best practice basically. So I see it's like a best practice. So we will go ahead and use a login local this time. Username, let me give my name itself, Rogan. Password, since it is a router, why don't we just give the router name? So let it be ASR, caps, enter, and then line console 0, and we have to provide the password for the console no matter what, else it's not gonna work. So I'll give the password again. So let me give ASR again, enter, and then I use login local this time so that it prompts me for the username and the password. Once done, exit, exit, write it, and then exit from the device completely. And now you can see it is prompting for the username and the password. So we'll give Rogan for the username and the password. I gave us ASR, enter. So yeah, we have successfully configured the new Cisco switch and the router successfully. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye from Rogan.